going to show you how to paint on a fabric t-shirt using acrylic paint and a fabric medium in 5 easy steps. It's easier than you think. All of the painting supplies you need for this project are available at Spotlight. You'll need a white t-shirt, a sheet of Crafter's Choice thick cardboard, Liquitex basic acrylic paint in your chosen colours, Liquitex fabric medium, a selection of paintbrushes, a paint palette and a cup of water. Firstly, protect your working surface with some paper. Place your t-shirt flat on the surface with the side you want to decorate facing up. Place a piece of thick cardboard inside the t-shirt that backs the entire area you plan to paint on. This will stop any paint bleeding through to the other side. Select and mix the acrylic paint colours you wish to use for your design, and then individually mix these colours with the fabric medium with a 1:1 ratio. This will allow the paint to be smooth yet flexible and help the paint better stick to the fabric. Create your design, washing your brushes between each colour. Allow the paint to dry overnight before wearing. By using the fabric medium, you won't need to heat set the painted design. This is just one of the projects you can make with Spotlight. It's easier than you think.